Some of the fastest scaling products on Shopify right now all solve the deepest insecurities for the most amount of people. And in today's video, we're going to be dissecting a company called Marsman that is setting records in the DTC space. And there's incredible stuff that we can learn from the ads that they're running, the avatar that they're targeting, the market that they're capturing. And we're going to do it all in a concise manner here in this video. So let's get right into it and not waste any time. So we got Marsmen right here. These guys are literally scaling to the moon. So if we just take a look at their traffic here, if this will just load in just a second, you'll see that their traffic distribution is going absolutely nuts. So let's see here if this will actually work. Boom, 1.9 million monthly visitors. That's insane. And you can see this is a chart that is going up and to the right. There's really no other way to put it. It's just going up and to the right. And it's primarily traffic from the US. Now, one interesting thing about Marsmen that you need to know is that they recently raised $27.5 million. However, they raised that after getting to a $100 million run rate profitably in under 18 months. That's pretty unbelievable, right? So they were able to serve 400,000 customers in that time, and then they raised money. So I think that's actually going to be a very common feature in the DTC space in the future. A lot of companies will bootstrap their way to really big success, really big scale through the power of meta ads and retention and affiliates and creators. But then, they're going to raise money to really go crazy and tap into the networks of these venture capitalists. That's something I've been learning a lot about lately. And it seems to be a very interesting world that we'll dive deeper into in the future. So make sure you stay tuned and subscribe to the channel. Now let's break down their offer, because this is, one of the most critical steps to e-commerce success on Shopify is your offer. And then after that, it's your ads. But of course, before all that, it's just the market. But the offer here is really, really interesting. So they got this 50% off for life. No code required. So this is a pretty standard offer that a lot of stores do, even in the dropshipping space, right? Everybody's doing 50% off. But these guys are actually just like saying, being pretty upfront about it and saying that there's no code required. So that kind of entices you a little bit more. It's a little more, a better direct response way to kind of give this discount, which I really like. I think that's super cool. Now, the other thing that you can note is just the first image has the offer in it again, right? So the first image is the first thing people see when they land on your store. So a lot of people actually just like neglect that, but they're saying claim your free 50% off and then get 50% off here, and then boom, get 50% off for life. So they're like super upfront about the offer. And then they're doing default subscriptions as well. So that's another really interesting thing. They're not even giving you the option to not subscribe. You either subscribe or you get out, right? That's kind of the options that you have. And I like that, actually. I think it makes it seem more like a process, like a system, right? Natural testosterone support. So it's almost like a system that you're buying in order to get better testosterone. And another, thing you can note about this lander is everything you need to know is in the above the fold section. So I mean, that's not uncommon amongst these kinds of brands, and some of the best brands in the world. They understand how powerful. What the heck? Someone's at my door. It's my baby. But they understand just how powerful the above the fold section is. And you can see here, they're also giving free gifts, more enticing stuff. And then they're telling you what to expect, right? So day 7, ignition, day 30, spark, day 90, liftoff. Tea production optimized fully. Then they got the ingredients. This is a very common thing also in the supplement space. It's just putting a bunch of ingredients in one, right? So you get a lot of ingredients that would otherwise cost a lot of money to buy separately, but you get them all in one. And, looking at these, I don't know like a ton about the supplement space. I do know a little bit. I do own a supplement brand. But one of these, you can see these aren't like crazy doses, but they are quite good, especially for the vitamin D one. Now, next, I want to show you this market, okay? Because the market is actually pretty crazy. You can see testosterone support is valued at over $8 billion a year. I actually think it's probably bigger than that, but, these are all estimates. And the testosterone support demand is absolutely ridiculous. I mean, you can see this is going extremely crazy, but nevertheless, right? It's it's 74,000 people are looking into testosterone supplements specifically, right? Testosterone supplements. But if we look up testosterone, we can see there's testosterone support or therapy. That's going even crazier. So testosterone therapy is a much bigger trend, literally 10 times the size of testosterone support or testosterone supplements. And, that's why I think these guys call this support, because it actually fits a little bit better into the therapy. It makes it seem like a therapy thing. And the subscription actually helps that as well, in my opinion. So testosterone therapy, you can see, is just going crazy. Interestingly enough, a lot of people are asking, testosterone therapy for women, which is kind of weird, but maybe it's not weird. I don't know. But as you see, kind of what I mentioned at the beginning, the reason this is so big is because there's a lot of men out there that feel like they need this, right? Or they might genuinely need this. Maybe they're really low on testosterone. Maybe it's really affecting their lives in a deep way that they're noticing. And so, this is just absolutely booming. Now, who are these people targeting, right? Obviously, it's just men who want higher testosterone, but actually, that's a lot of people, right? And they're actually going after a very specific avatar within that segment. And what that avatar is the performance-driven man. It's not just any man, right? That's like that is low on testosterone. Is the performance-driven man. So these are men typically in midlife or slightly older, experiencing declining energy, sex drive, or mental sharpness, and are actively seeking proven natural solutions to regain peak physical and mental performance to feel powerful and confident again. That is kind of the key thing right there. And the core desires of these people are to restore their youthful energy and vitality, very simple, to enhance mental clarity and focus, to gain social confidence and presence, achieve lasting health and well-being, reignite sex drive and virility, increase physical strength and muscle definition. So all of these are core desires that you can literally target in ads individually, and that's exactly what they're doing. You can see they have 2,100 active ads right now as we speak, which is a ridiculous amount of ads, but it makes a lot of sense given that they're getting every single person on subscription. Now, one interesting thing that you can note is that their top ads, we're filtering this by high to low, are ads that are actually offer ads. So look at this ad right here. It's basically, they're running this as like a flexible ad, I think. And what's going on is these are just literally offers. So they're saying 50% off for life, which is what they claim on their site for everybody. So it's not really like anything special necessarily, but this is actually their highest impression ad. And we can see their ad copy is really good. Your grandfather had more testosterone at 60 than you do at 35. He didn't have plastics leaching estrogen into his water, seed oils and everything he ate, blue light frying his hormones at 11 p.m. These are super relatable for people. Super good marketing here in copywriting. You're not weak, you're poisoned. Marsman was built to fight back. Tonkat Ali blocks the enzymes stealing your tea. Boron frees up testosterone that's locked away. Shilajit grows more tea-producing cells in your balls. No dirt powders, no cheap fillers, no fairy dust. Just the 8 ingredients designed to support your tea production from every angle. 50% off your first month. 90-day guarantee. Stop blaming yourself. Start fighting back. So supposedly then it's 50% off for your first month. But actually, no, they're saying $59 refill. So there's a little bit of a discrepancy there, but clearly it doesn't matter because people are just buying this like crazy no matter what. Let's move on to some of the other ads. So those are two of their highest performing ads. They're actual just offer ads. Like here's a crazy offer and here's like the explanation of the brand. But let's move on to this ad, right? This is one of their video ads that they're running and you'll see something very interesting. So first let's read the ad copy. You're not just getting old, your hormones crashed. Here's how I restored mine in 2 months. So it's like a personal story. Most testosterone support options leave you hanging. Either you're signed to TRT for life, never really fixing the root problem, or you're taking placebo-based supplements that don't actually work. So they're calling out supplements. And again, this is part of the framing that I mentioned earlier on therapy versus a supplement. And actually the therapy for testosterone is going crazy. So is the supplement, but the therapy one is 10 times as big in terms of demand. or you're taking placebo-based supplements that don't actually work. I was tired of the scams, so I built the system that worked for me. Mars Men. One simple formula, 8 clinically dosed ingredients, the only stack that raises testosterone and crushes cortisol. It's what thousands of men are using for more energy, stronger workouts, better focus, and the drive they had in their 20s. Try Mars Men, 100% risk-free.
Oh, before you start TRT injections, try this. You might not actually need them. My testosterone went from a 217 to a 564 in about 100 days, which I know isn't all that impressive, but it was all natty. Stick around, let me tell you how.
I actually love that he mentions, like, that's not that impressive, because a lot of people would sell you on this, like, magical pill that, you know, within a week is going to raise your testosterone, which is kind of like the TRT thing that he mentioned in the hook. But it actually kind of disarms, you know, the watcher, the consumer, right? Because that's what they're thinking in their head, is like, this is just another magic pill. But he's like, hey, it's actually not that impressive, but guess what, it was all natural, and 100 days is not that crazy either. Like, that's still pretty good.
You start TRT, your balls stop producing. It literally stops your body's natural testosterone production forever. So yes, you may get jacked, but at what cost? And when you stop, your levels crash, oftentimes to lower than they were before they started. And bruh, don't get me started on the side effects. Estrogen spikes, mood swings. It's borderline impossible to have a kid on TRT. It ain't cheap. You're talking about $200 to $500 a month forever.
There's so many good things. Like, this is brilliant copywriting, but it also comes off super natural from this guy. And also, this guy's clearly like the avatar. He's probably like literally 35 years old. He's a performance-driven man. You can tell because he's at the gym. He's like shirtless. So let's keep going.
No drive. Made some lifestyle changes, but I was stuck below 300. So I considered TRT, but I ultimately made the decision not to inject synthetic hormones, and instead I found Mars Men. It's a natural test booster that contains 8 clinically backed ingredients like Tonga Ali, Shilajit, taurine, vitamin D, boron, zinc, fenugreek. Stay natty as long as possible. Skip the needles. Try Mars Men. They got a 90-day risk-free return policy. So worst case scenario, you don't like it. Give it back. Get your money. Best case scenario, it works marvelously. Your testosterone is booming. You feel like a new man. You got your mojo back. No injections. No risk of not having a kid. Dog, what can you lose? Oh, before you start TRT injections.
I mean, like I said, it has all the right, you know, direct response things that you want in an ad that explains your brand with the right avatar in a really good setting that makes a ton of sense, right? The performance-driven man. Like, when you realize your avatar, like, it kind of makes everything easier, to be honest. And then you just kind of keep spamming different formats of this. You can see they have these. These are actually really interesting. So you don't have 8 separate problems. You have 1. 8 signs of high cortisol in men. So I like this ad too, because, you know, men are constantly looking for value too, especially the performance driven man. They're looking for value when they're browsing social media. So, you know, when they see posts like this, 8 signs of high cortisol in men, this is like a valuable thing for them to consume, right? They want to consume this value. And yeah, this is really nice. So puffy face, waking up at 2, 3 a.m., tense neck, low energy, stubborn belly fat, sugar cravings, brain fog, low libido, reclaim hormonal balance naturally. Try Mars Men for free. Let's click shop now. And it takes us to this page. Pretty amazing stuff. Lastly, I do want to say one interesting thing these guys are doing is that they are everywhere. So they are not just, well, of course, Meta is like the biggest revenue engine, it seems, and awareness engine, and, you know, subscriber building engine, but they're posting everywhere. So they're not neglecting, they're leaving no stone unturned. You can see on X, they're actually posting every single day, multiple times a day even, and not getting like a ton of impressions necessarily, like 700 impressions, 1,000 impressions, but 1.3K impressions, 1K impressions, I mean, 2.6K. So these actually stack up. And if you're getting like 100,000 impressions a month on X for free, that's a good amount of, you know, awareness. 100,000 people, especially 100,000 performance-driven men, that's a significant base, you know, of people. If you're able to convert 0.1% of those people, that's a significant amount of subscribers that you just earned on your, you know, on your brand, right? That's like over $1,000 a month of MRR potentially for them. From just posting organically. So obviously this isn't something you can do when you're just getting started. If you're just a beginner watching this video, you know, make sure you just use our free store builder. We have a nice little store builder that you can start your Shopify store with for literally free, and then we connect a a platform that's also free for you, where you can source and ship any product without ordering inventory. So that's a really great way for beginners to start for free. You don't need to buy any courses. You don't need to invest in a $5,000 mentorship. You can just get started there. But for brands that are already kind of bigger and you're figuring out like, look, maybe something's wrong with my brand, honestly, start by looking at your avatar, right? This is a tool called smartreply.io, but this is specifically a comment analysis tool. It's free to use. Just go to smartreply.io. It's in the free tools tab. And you can, what's really cool about it, the hack about it, is that you can put in any Facebook page on it and it'll scrape all of their comments on Facebook and then give you a customer avatar matrix, right? Which includes core desires. It includes even sub avatars. So it's really good. And then of course, yeah, you can see kind of what people are saying in the comments. People are obviously pissed off about the rebilling. That's always going to happen with these kinds of brands. People are saying zero customer support, which honestly, they should probably get on Smart Reply, because that does all the customer support and it does it better than any human ever could, actually. But all in all, such an impressive brand. I love to see, these kind of brands really inspire me, especially as I see these, trends happening with like raising at specific milestones in the e-com journey. Like, this is super cool to me, and I'm super excited to continue to dive deeper into it in the future. But ultimately, I think there's a lot to learn about this brand, from this brand, and this space is actually, in my opinion, still early. Even though it's huge, I think it's only going to get bigger. That's pretty much it. Peace.